Hey, good morning. It's Laura with Toyota of Melbourne. Hey, just wanted to show you a quick video of the vehicle up close. I think is what we are both seeing is definitely the reflection. From the video, you can see myself in it as I'm waving here, but the bumper does not have any scratches on it. Once you get up close, you can see that is just the reflection in the background. So I wanted to show it to you. I got it nice and cleaned up for us, so that way I can make sure. I did see a couple small little scratches on it. Let me see if I can find it again, but definitely not what we thought we were seeing in the photos last night. So there it is, a tiny little scratch. I don't know if you could see it on camera or not, right there, about double the size of my fingernail. Otherwise it looks really, really good. Let me show you the back too, because I know you were thinking there was something wrong with the back. Now that is just light reflection again on the side from the sun. You can see when I put my hand over it, it could change angles. So that is, again, not any sort of scratches. And the whole bumper looks great. I actually detailed it myself this morning. It took me a little bit longer to get the video out to you. But yeah, it's loaded with safety features. It's got lane departure alert, pre-collision system, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control. Let me know if you can make it in today. You can reach me at 321-254-8888, extension 340, or on my cell phone. Thanks and have a good one, hon.